All right, so let's go ahead and put our pockets onto our dress. Now, now you should have two pieces cut out based on the measurements that we did earlier. You should have gone ahead and searched all sides of your dress. Now I'm working with just one piece of my dress. Okay, so remember when you were making your marks and I asked you to make a little slit right here where we measured 12 inches down for your pocket placement. That's where we're going to insert our pockets at. All right. So earlier I told you you can get a pocket from a skirt or another dress that you like, and you can use that, and you'll need to cut four pieces, four pocket pieces. All right. So when you cut your four pocket pieces, you should go ahead and edge stitch or serge all the way around them. All right. Now you're probably working with fabric that you can't tell the right side from the wrong side. So your dress, so go ahead and pick a side, and your dress should be facing right sides up because we're going to sew the pocket and the dress. We're going to place those right sides together. All right, so take one of your pocket pieces and we're going to place the pocket right sides facing the dress. So the little slit that you made up here, go ahead and place your pocket up there, starting right there, and go ahead and pin it to your dress. So you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side of your dress. And then you're going to take your other dress piece and you're going to do the exact same thing with that. You're going to sew the pockets on each side, right sides together. Now, once you have your pockets pinned, what I want you to do is go to your sewing machine and sew your pocket on using a 1/4 inch seam. 1/4 inch seam, and then we're going to understitch the pocket. So I'm going to go over to my sewing machine now, and I'm going to pin all my pocket pieces on my dress, and I'm going to sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance.